Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I am going to show you a very interesting video, a very delicious and super healthy. Before that, if you are not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe it now. So without wasting your time, let's begin now. Today I am going to show you how to make a mushroom soup, a very delicious and super healthy. And for that I have taken 5 types of mushrooms, and white mushroom, butter mushrooms, and some shiitake mushrooms over here. And this is a dry mushroom, shiitake mushroom. So I soak it in the cold water like this. So we have to soak it for 2 to 3 hours in the cold water. And now let's cut the mushroom. So you can use your hand or knife if you want it, like this, and you can shred it like this. You can use any type of mushroom which is available in your area, in your place, in the market, and there is no uh, particular mushroom that you have to put, nothing like that. You can use any type of mushroom. Here 5 types of mushroom, you can see this. Now let's wash the mushroom again. I have washed the mushroom, so let's keep on the side and let's cut the chicken. I'm using chicken to make the soup more tasty. You can use any type of meat. For me, I'm using chicken. So now let's cut the chicken into small pieces like this. I have taken some garlic, 4 cloves, and 1 onion, and some Asian chives. So let's keep the chives for later use. Then let's keep the garlic and the onion on the side. Then let's cook the chicken. Let's heat the pot. Here I'm using 2 spoons of sesame oil. Now sesame oil is ready, so let's put the chicken into the pot like this. Then stir it. Now stir it. Then let's put the garlic. Then mix it. Now let's put some water, 4 cups of water here, then mix it, 4 cups of water, then mix it like this. After that, let's put the onion, then mushroom, let's put, then mix it, and we have to cook for 10 minutes. Let's cover it. Now it's 10 minutes. Let's open the cover and stir it like this. Then let's take one bowl. Then this is white sesame seed powder. White sesame seed powder. So we are going to put this white sesame seed powder into the soup. Before that, I have taken 1/3 of the cup. If you want to put more, you can put more. And let's boil some water. Then mix it, stir it nicely like this. Then you can see this. Then let's pour it this into the soup. Before that, let's put the fish sauce, 2 spoons of fish sauce, then some salt to taste. You can put less salt because fish sauce is already salty, so you can add a little bit of salt. Then let's put this mixture into the pot, into the soup like this. And some extra water. You can see it looks very creamy. Then another 10 minutes. Now it's 10 minutes completed. Let's check it out the soup. It's look very creamy from the white sesame seed. And the smell also. You can stir it. And after that, let's put the chives, Asian chives into the soup. Then mix it, stir it, and let's heat for 1 minute. Let's cover the. Now your mushroom soup is ready. It's look very tempting. I will try. Let's try the soup. Wow, its taste is yummy and the smell of the sesame seed and the sesame oil. It's perfect, and you can make it at home. It's very easy, and the ingredient also is very simple. I hope you like my video. Now you know how to make the mushroom soup at home very easily, in the easiest way. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.